Hello everyone, I hope everyone is at home, safe and well, or in school watching this video. This is a little assembly all about the value that we're looking at this half term. Can anyone tell me or have a think about what the value is that we look at in the first term of the new year? The value that we're looking at is resilience. So today I'd like to do an assembly which is all about resilience. I'm going to share a screen with you now, and hopefully you will be able to see the screen and help me with some of the questions that I've got today. Now, so here we have the screen. It shows the word resilience. You may want to have a pen and paper with you to jot down some of your ideas. You might want to put some comments on Seesaw about what you think about during this assembly, but it's all about resilience or value for this half term. So first of all, I wonder how many of you have got a rubber band. We won't have lots of those to give out in class, but you might have a rubber band at home. Now, some materials are able to bounce back after they've been bent or stretched, just like a rubber band. And people who can bounce back when things have happened to them are also known as resilient. So that's to give you a little definition of what we think resilience is. Bouncing back, not giving up, going back to what you can. I wonder if now in your head or at home, you can clap out the word resilient. Can you whisper the word resilient? Can you shout the word resilient? Really get it into your mind that the value that we're looking at this half term is resilience, to be resilient. So I think it's really important at this strange time that we show resilience. I know that every week we give out a growth mindset award for people that sometimes that show this value resilience, but I also wanted to give you some tips on how to be resilient as well. And some of these may be useful. They may help you if you're finding things hard. Let's have a look. So the first one, be thankful. You might think, what does he mean? How does that make me resilient? Maybe you could tell someone that you're with about something that you're thankful for today, and try and do this every day. Because if we remember all the things that we're thankful for, then it might help us when we do need to be resilient. It's something that we can remember when we are facing a challenge. So remembering all the things that we can do, all the things that we are thankful for, can sometimes help us when we face a challenge, when we need to show resilience. There's your top tip number one. Another top tip is to work hard. I know most of you try hard and work hard all the time, but you can achieve great things when you work together. Can you think of a time when you've helped a friend to achieve something tricky, when they might have found something hard and you've helped them to be resilient, you've helped them to learn something? Working hard can help us with our resilience. Also, resilient people ask for help. Doesn't mean that you're not showing resilience or not showing a growth mindset if you ask for help. You should always work hard and try your best. But can you think of a time when when trying your best helped you to succeed? This is really important. Keep trying. Do you think people can do everything straight away? How many attempts does it take sometimes? Can you think of something that you can do now, but it took you a few attempts to achieve it? Could be something like swimming, riding a bike, a tricky maths problem. Believe in yourself. Now, all of these stars here have got a sentence in them, a sentence starter. I wonder if you see each star that you can finish the sentence. Which one shall we start with? Let's start with blue. I can. Tell me something you can do. I am really good at. Can you tell me something you're really good at? I am great because. You're great because. Can you tell me? I make people smile when I. There's 4 things. Maybe you can put some comments on Seesaw that finish those sentences off. Another good thing, another good way that we can show resilience, try to stay calm. How are you feeling right now? Have a think. Maybe if you've got YouTube, you can type in relaxing video, relaxing music, and listen to that for a while. And can you tell me how you feel after that time? Staying calm helps your mind be free, helps you to be resilient. Here's a good one, laugh. Laughing can help you stay resilient. Maybe have some jokes to each other. I've got a joke here. What is brown and sticky? A stick. You might think that's a terrible joke. Did it make you laugh? I bet you can do better. So now, thinking time. Let's have a think. Take a quiet minute to think of a time when you showed true resilience. What can you do to become more resilient? Keep working hard to achieve your ambitions. Take a quiet moment to think about what your ambitions are. There you go. There's my assembly on resilience. I hope there's some things that have made you think today, maybe some things that will help you. You take care, stay resilient, and speak to you all soon. Bye.